My man joined right away. I like it. I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Huh. Let's see. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Why is it not showing that I'm live yet? There it is. Cool. Live. Bang. Tweet this bad boy. Live. Bang. I'm very stuffed up this morning, guys. I don't like it. I just got done being sick, too. That cough that I had for like, what, 2 weeks? Where my throat was killing me, I had the cough. That finally went away, and now I guess we're sick again. Unfortunate. But good morning, everybody. What is this? Still trade Forex, Euro, NZD. Cool. I think I might have got sick at the game, or from the game. I don't know, to be honest with you. I didn't start feeling bad until yesterday, like halfway through the day. So, hopefully it goes away. No me gusta. Let's see. All right, pull up the DMs to myself. Give everybody like 2 more minutes to hop up in here. And then we gonna get started. Good morning, everybody. Let's get live for everybody on TikTok, too. Show the TikTok fam some love. Alrighty, let's see. Go live. Create a watch list. And let's see. Boom. Alrighty. We ready to rock. Good morning. We'll start in 2 minutes. Let me check this economic calendar real quick. I don't think we had anything planned for today. Yeah, consumer credit at 3. Don't really care about that. Trade deficit tomorrow, 8:30. Don't really care about that. Big things this week is just going to be CPI, PPI. So CPI Thursday, PPI Friday. Those are going to be the big things to keep your eyes on. So, could be a slow week going up into those. You never know. Anyways. Cool. Let's go ahead and start. So, I mean, most of the analysis we already did last night. If you guys didn't see, we did the... No, I'm not feeling better at all. I feel worse this morning. But most of the analysis we did last night. We also have this one area that I didn't put. But we had like this little previous like resistance zone here. So resistance, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Could be a level to watch. But yeah, we talked about this level right here last night, how this is our 4-hour demand. It's a huge level, right? So we came into demand on Friday. We saw a really nice rally out of it. This could potentially be a higher low. The only issue is there's no saunas near me. My gym doesn't have one. I don't know any other gym that has one around here. Need to just get one for the house. But potential higher low here, I don't really see an area to try to reject until we start getting up into here. These 2 levels. Check yes. Yeah, I mean, really, Not seeing anything to try to reject. So either looking for price to come back down into demand for a potential bounce, or just rejects if we can get up here. And then, I mean, maybe just look for like a trend entry one way or the other. But that's about it on ES. Really nothing super interesting on this. So watch demand. Ideally would like to see us get down into 47.05 to 49.6 or 4696, just because that's our 1 hour demand. So ideally would like there, but we'll see if we can pop up into these levels as well. So that's everything on SPY. SPY and QQQ is the starting stocks I would prefer. But let's see inside. Wow. Good morning. Boom. Also, do you guys like the Sunday weekly watch list thing? I might start doing that every week, every Sunday, if you guys like it. But same thing on SPY. I mean, not really interested in trying to short if price comes down into this area. Ideally looking for the bounce between 464.5 and then 464.12. That's going to be our 1 hour demand level. Rejects up here, 471.13, 472.67. So again, might just look for trend entries both ways. And then wait for price to hit levels. That's pretty much it. Cool. And Q, same thing. We did get a daily candle close above that 61.8. So if I'm going to look for shorts on NQ, I want it below Friday's low at 16.33425. In the meantime, what I would like to see, as long as we hold that 61.8, is for price to potentially come back up into this area right here where we have supply, pick up some orders, and then maybe roll over from there. We do have a very tiny 30-minute supply zone there. I'm not too interested in that. But here is the start of our 1 hour. Just go ahead and mark it 1 hour. But yeah, that's ideally what I would like to see. So as far as NQ, see if we have a fib that lines up there. Yeah, we got 61.8 up at that level as well. But we're pretty far away from all of it. So nothing super interesting on NQ right now. Again, below here for puts, up here for rejects. Can watch trend entries both ways intraday. So that's everything on NQ. QQQ. Same thing, smack the 61.8. We held above it. Supply up there. Not interested in shorts unless we break below here. So very simple on QQQ. Cool. I mean, maybe 400, but we've already touched that area a lot. Awesome. Keep it 1 hour real quick. Yeah, I mean, we can mark Friday's high. But puts below here. Trend entries either way for the time being. Maybe we come back and test these levels right here for a potential bounce, but definitely be interested in that. Cool. That's everything as far as ES, SPY, QQQ, NQ. Take a quick look at SPX again. Majority of that was done last night. Only thing we had to do was finalize levels this morning. But same thing, SPX, 4,700 is going to be the level. If we open above it, I'd like to see a potential bounce off of it. Open below, potential reject for a little scalp. So, all right. Run through individuals, see what we're liking. Real quick, if you're in the YouTube live stream, definitely make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Just take 2 seconds, scroll down, tap it real quick, especially if you guys are finding value in this live stream. As far as Apple, what is that? $3, $3.20 away. I don't expect us to hit that, but that's one of my main weekly setups is going to be that Apple bounce, 178.64 if we get down there. So in the meantime, just going to keep it on the side. Put it over on my one screen so I can continue to watch it. But yeah, that's one of my main setups this week if we can tap it. So watch that. AMD hit the 50% retracement. Let's see, we're trading at 140. Daily gaps all the way up there. I mean, if we could get up to 142.4, I'd definitely be interested in a reject. Oh, wait. Different level. There we go. Oh, my bad. 2 cents off. 142.18. Just got your morning coffee? Let's go. All right. But, I mean, AMD, it looks pretty strong until we get up into this level. So maybe an uptrend entry. We'll see with this. Just put a question mark next to it. Potential uptrend entry. Amazon. Looks awful. Boeing, Boeing gap down $20. I had to guess, maybe with the door flying off of the airplane. Let's see, that takes us down into 231. My bout's at 222. Good morning. But I'm sure IV is going to be jacked. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's got the gap. But we'll skip it. No Boeing. Imagine if you swung puts, though, and you open your account today to see that. All right, coin. Don't care about. Costco don't care about. CRM don't care about. GLD don't care about. Google. Very close to the bounce again. Might just have to keep it on the side for the time being, but that is one of my main setups for this week. 134.65, 133.55. Let's see. IWM don't care about. Meta does not look bad for an uptrend entry. Let's see. I'd say potentially above Friday's high for a possible uptrend entry on Meta. So keep an eye on that. Microsoft, gonna just continue to watch that throughout the week with the squeeze. Netflix kind of has like this trend line right here that's finally breaking, but not a setup I would trade. NVDA has that daily ascending triangle right here. So that 505.50 break is going to be huge. But in the meantime, could potentially watch that for an uptrend entry. Video. Yes, sir. Channel members and Team Bull members are gonna have access to those trade recaps going forward. PayPal don't care about, Roku don't care about, Shopify don't care about, Tesla don't really care about. Kind of has like this little wedge right here. But yeah, nothing on Tesla that I like. Cool. Besides that higher time frame squeeze that we got going on, weekly and monthly. Monthly looks the best. But As far as the individuals, all I liked was AMD, Meta, and NVIDIA. And they're all, I'd say, like, they're not A+ setups. I'd give them, like, a B. Just a solid B setup. So, I don't know. Maybe throughout the day, something changes and we see a high probability setup intraday on these names, which, if that's the case, I'll for sure take it. But in the meantime, they're, I'd say, subpar. They're not my favorite. So we'll just see what the market does. See if it offers any good opportunity. I guess in the meantime, any questions you guys got? Trading questions, stocks that I haven't looked at. What you guys got? We'll do that for like 5 minutes and then we'll narrow the list. I want to try to hop on Instagram with Jadon and GD and all them this morning. So might tap out of this live stream early and then head on over there for a little bit. We'll see. But what you guys got? Yes, we're going to talk about brokers in the boot camp. And then real quick, everybody that's watching on the TikTok, if you did not know, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I have over 850 plus free videos teaching you guys on how to trade. And I just started a new series, my Futures Bootcamp videos. They're going to be up for a limited time only, so highly suggest you guys take advantage of them. Again, Brandon Trades on YouTube, 68K, 881 videos, and I'm also live there every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So take 2 seconds, make sure to go subscribe. Welcome. Yes, if you find my active trader video, I show how to use stops. Just type in Brandon Trades active trader. No, I use them. It's just when I'm doing higher time frame analysis, I keep this chart very, very clean just so I can clearly see levels. I was using them last night. All balance volume, stochastic, all that good stuff. I have a previous bootcamp 1, where I show all the stuff you need for technicals as far as individual stocks. Plus everything else on my YouTube channel. And the books, of course. Let's see. We did NQ, Palantir. I really looked at Palantir. How we all doing in the TikTok live? We got more people in the TikTok live today, which is crazy. Usually I got 9 people. Today I got 35. Crazy. Palantir came down to that weekly demand. Went up, hit that 127 extension that we had drawn out. Nice weekly squeeze fired up. As far as what I think about Palantir, though, I mean, it's not a super attractive chart setup, so I don't know, nothing that has me too interested. Oh, it has that daily gap too. It's more than likely going to fill it into 15. I have the daily scanner up right now, but not the weekly or the monthlies. I will put them up eventually though. That's right. Make sure to hit that like button. Got 150 people in the YouTube live stream, only 70 likes. Y'all know the drill. You want this watch list. Run it up. I know. Crazy. Let's see that AMD reject. I had it drawn on. Yeah, I mean, that could be an area that it rejects. Either or. So we'll just wait and see. Not terrible. Maybe catch it for a little scalp. Alrighty. Let's finalize some levels. And I'm gonna hop on over to Instagram with everybody. Let them know that I'm hopping in. Cool. Let's finalize levels. Again, most of this was done yesterday, so we're going to be done super early just because we don't kind of go through all of that. That's the amazing thing about doing everything on the weekend. You already got your levels done. Let's go Dolphins. All right. So, I mean, the ES, same thing. Price comes down into demand, looking for a bounce. Price gets up here, looking for a reject. We'll see if we see anything intraday. But as far as higher time frame levels, here and here, that's what I'm interested in. So that's all good. SPY, it's going to be the same exact thing. NQ, going to have to break below here. If I want puts, I get up here, look for rejects. Yeah, super simple stuff. Same thing on QQQ. I mean, NQ and QQQ are the same exact thing. So that's it there. As far as the individuals, we're going to keep Apple on the side. If it can get down into that 178.64, again, that's my number one setup for the week. We're just pretty far away from it. So nothing right now. AMD. Might just look for that uptrend entry just because it's super strong. Or NVIDIA. They're both very strong. I mean, you could watch either or. They're more than likely going to move together. So, cool. I'm going to say AMD if I'm going to watch one of them, but if you prefer NVIDIA, go for it. Catch like $1.10 out of this. Cool. Let's get this typed out. Put it up in Team Bull. Alrighty. SPY. Looking for bounces in demand from tell you what, you guys hit 115 likes today. I'll give you the watch list because I'm hopping off early. 4708.752, 4696.75, which is going to be SPY. $465.34 to $464.12. Rejects. I honestly haven't really been watching Dixie too much. 4771.75, then 4788.25. SPY. Trying to give you guys both ES and SPY levels. Or 71.15. Cool. I got a cookie for you. Here's your cookie. QQQ closed. Daily candle closed above the 61.8%. At 394.29. The bearish, I would like to see below 393.66. AMD, watching for an uptrend entry. Cool. I mean, that is the watch list, really. That's it. AMD uptrend entry. Potential rejects at 142.18 and 144.27.
Thanks for the sub.
Thanks for the subscribe. Good levels. Cool. Oh, I'm just typing stuff out in Team Bull. Alrighty. Cool. It's a little longer of a watch list, more than I usually type up. Awesome. 10 more likes. I give you guys this watch list. Good morning. Again, I'm going to hop off early today. I'm going to head on over to Instagram with the boys. Drop some wisdom up in there as well. In the meantime, though, while we're waiting for 10 more likes, if you guys have not already and you do want to trade live with me, Jadon, Grizzly, GD, a bunch of other amazing traders, make sure to hop on the wait list for the Discord. You will get an email as soon as the Discord opens up. So it takes 2 seconds. Use that link right there. There's for everybody on the TikTok as well. There you go. You guys hit it. I give it to you. All right. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. As always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. SPY. QQQ. AMD. So, like I said in Team Bull, honestly, these setups to me, right now, they're subpar. Not super high probability setups. Like, I'm not in love with these, so I'm fine sitting cash. Remember, you don't have to trade every day. But if there is something super high probability intraday, then of course I'll take it. Or if my levels are hit and price action confirms, of course I'll take it. But from what I'm seeing right now, they're not my favorite. So we'll see. We'll see what the market brings. But I'm going to hop on the Instagram live with the boys. I'll definitely be live longer tomorrow. It's just we did a lot of the analysis last night, so it's already pretty much done. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you have those bell notifications on so you are notified when new bootcamp videos go up. I think, I don't know, I'll drop another one either today or tomorrow. We'll see, but bell icon on so you're notified, and so you get notified every single time I go live. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up today, everybody. Everybody have a blessed day. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 45 minutes. Or if you hop on the Instagram live, I'll talk to you guys in like 2 minutes. Everybody have a